Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to discuss a bit more on what investors should look at before they actually go ahead and put their monies into crypto. So I wanted to take you through, a little bit about Buterin's wealth, so that you get a sense, why certain elements or certain aspects are need to be considered before you actually invest in a crypto. And and with that in mind, I did a video on that a few weeks ago on 5 elements that you should keep in mind before you put in money into a crypto. I will talk about it a little later. So first, let's try and understand how wealthy or how rich this man is. He's just 27 years old, and what is there to learn for the investors from his success, his wealth. So before we dive in, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you are informed every time I upload a new video, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, my knowledge, and from my videos. So let's dive in. So let's try and understand how wealthy this man is. So his net worth is over $1 billion US at this point in time. According to this, according to what he's told people in October 2018, he had about $1 billion worth of Ethereum in that crypto wallet address. So this is what he has himself disclosed. This was back in 2018. Buterin is the 4th youngest self-made billionaire ever at 27, behind only Kylie Jenner at 22, Mark Zuckerberg at 23, and Austin Russell at 25. If you look at the market cap of Ethereum, it has gone down. It is still the second largest crypto in by way of market capitalization at $262 billion US dollars when I last saw a few minutes ago when I was preparing this presentation. So you see there, market cap 262 billion, 421 million, something. So that's where it is at. So in a way, he is phenomenally wealthy, and he's just about 27, 28 years old. Now, this success gives a dimension to the way investors should invest in cryptos. So I'm going to touch upon 3 aspects in the next slide, which are super critical. So what are the insights for the investors? First, leadership by example. So this man, back in when he was 17 years old in 2011, he has discredited cryptocurrencies, but he eventually saw a great value in it, and he was frustrated with the fact that everything was governed or controlled by the government, and that prompted him to develop Ethereum. And so he's a man who has developed a product out of a pure necessity in the market, out of pure gumption that he had. He saw there was a gap, and he plugged a hole over there by creating Ethereum. So that's a learning. So it's leadership by example. Second point, great fundamentals, great solution, and great brand. Again, the fundamentals, if you look at it, as I spoke, he and his team has built the platform such that it offers developers to build solution on top of it to try and address specific challenges that businesses or let's say transactions face, and how those can be solved using the Ethereum platform. So that's a great solution. The fundamentals are right up there, and it has built a niche brand for itself. So now, be it in crypto market or outside in the financial world, and even outside the financial world, everybody knows about Ethereum. So the brand value is phenomenally high. Third point, no scams at the company level. So there have been scams elsewhere. There have been scams related to Ethereum done by other people. But the company on its own, there is no scam. So that also talks about the ethics, the ethical way of handling and managing the business. So all in all, it's a great product, a great solution, and hence Buterin deserves to be one of the youngest, thought leaders, creator, and of course a billionaire in our day and age. So I wanted to give you this particular sense to all you investors, so that you look for those products, those cryptos, those services, those stocks to invest by looking at these elements. There are a few more elements that you should also look at. I did a video on that, like I said earlier when I started this chat. I did a video on 5 elements that you should look at before you invest in a crypto. I'll put the link to the video in the card above. Go take a look at it. Where I've actually spoken in detail on those elements, those pieces that you should consider. And I did mention these 3 as well in those five aspects that you should look at before you invest in a crypto. So that's what I had today to talk to you about. My intention is to ensure or probably give the investors a direction so that they don't lose out on their monies, their own hard-earned money, and they make real gains, monetary gains from their investments. So as you know, I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled 6-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about me leaving my 6-figure globetrotting corporate job back in 2010 and how I built my company in Singapore and in India and then in the US. What were the challenges I faced. I've also put down 3 worksheets on how do you gauge your mind before you jump into the world of entrepreneurship. You could score yourself and see where you stand. I scored myself as well, and you will see how much I scored. You will find the book on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. You would also see the URL in the description down below, in the description box. The URL in the description box. All you have to do is to put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Thank you very much. I hope this video was useful to you. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You would find my LinkedIn URL in the description box below. Go ahead and connect with me. I regularly work with people to help solve their business, marketing, and technological and investment challenges. If you are looking to engaging me as your consultant, please drop me a line on LinkedIn message, or you could contact me on my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below, and I shall connect with you and we can then have a conversation. So Please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash the notification bell, please comment on my videos as well. And please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So take care, stay safe and stay healthy, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.